Riding the got Narari out for a little bit, so hopefully we can get some good footage. All right, so I'm about to go meet up with someone I met online. I think he has a Canam. I'm not sure if it's a Spider or Ryker. All right, so we're here. I'm assuming it's in this area. Now we're just looking for a Canam.
Yeah, I got one for me and my wife.
Oh, nice.
That's me. This is my wife's song right here.
Oh, nice. Really, really nice. Oh, you got the Riley and she got the regular 900?
Yeah, she got the regular 900.
Oh, nice.
She wanted the 600, but
nah, she probably made out better with the 900, man.
The thing about it, I told her it don't make no sense for me to get you the 600 because if I get you the 600, you're gonna get used to the 600. Then you're gonna wish you would have got the 900.
You did a lot of work to it too, man. What you got? This is all that that's that good material too. It ain't like that
and I had all this painted. All this blue, I had all this painted.
Oh, what's this here? Is this it's a graphic?
Yeah, it came like that. That's how
the panel came? This panel came
like
with
that.
it?
That's a brand new like special edition panel.
Okay.
Yeah, it came like that.
Oh, that's actually really cool. Yeah, because you usually got to add your own decal. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I did her music and stuff.
Music, all right.
You know
yeah, see, you got music
mine
too, right?
Yeah, I did mine too. Hey, everywhere I go.
I like this, though. I like the setup that you have there.
Man, everybody give me props, man. They like that blue and that yellow, man, you know.
Have you named your bike yet?
Not really.
Has your wife named her bike yet?
I don't even know.
Alright, so well, you got Ground Zero speakers, and these are
DS18.
DS18, alright.
Yeah, I got
you got a big ad, I see that, yeah. Alright, I can see I could hear the difference for sure.
Yeah.
Her sounds good
well,
though.
Because these are 6.5. So yeah, you're gonna see a whole lot different. It wasn't gonna give me any more horsepower. I was like, I don't really want a lot of noise. I want to be quiet because you're gonna hear the music.
That's what's up.
You know, that was my whole thing.
Alright, Diddy's gonna get the bikes out. We're gonna put them up out here in the lawn. I want to take a nice picture of the bikes, and then Diddy and I are gonna take a quick little ride. This thing in the sun, it looks awesome. Alright, we out. Alright, so I met up with Diddy. We're gonna take a quick little ride. He's gonna show me around. We're gonna go cruise a little bit. Alright, so Diddy stopped for a little bit of gas. We're here at the gas station. We're gonna head over to Fort Pierce, and it should be a fun ride after all. We should be able to get some stuff on video. You know what I mean? We out. And you got a Suzuki GSX-R. Never gonna catch him. 10/19, 2021, 82 degrees. Reason why I moved here to Florida, the weather, this view. Gorgeous day to be out riding. We out here. Here over here you got another Spider. That's the RT Limited. It's nice. Maybe when I get a little older. This has been actually a fun ride. We went through Fort Pierce. We're headed back down to Port St. Lucie now, but it's been fun so far. Take 95 real quick to one exit, and then we're gonna get off. This is that new Hollister too. Yeah, look at that thing. That shit is fucking fire, bro. Nice.